Hello and welcome to Mac and PC Prime video. In this video, I'll show you, do you want to use Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Office apps on your Windows PC without paying for a Microsoft 365 subscription? In this video, I'll show you the official and legal free options for using Microsoft Office on Windows. There is no crack, activation hack, or pirated software involved. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the official Microsoft Office website. First, open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft Office website. Sign in using your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create one for free. If you already use Outlook, Hotmail, Xbox, or Skype, you can use that same account to sign in. If you don't have one, click Create One. Then enter your email and phone number to create your Microsoft account. Type Verify your email code. Select your country or region and enter your date of birth. Enter your first name and last name, then click Next. Let's prove you're human. Hold on, mouse. A quick note about your Microsoft account. Then OK. Create a passkey PIN, type PIN, confirm. After your account is ready, go back to office.com and sign in using the new Microsoft account. Once signed in, you'll be redirected to the Microsoft 365 homepage. Step 2. Install the free Microsoft 365 apps. Here you'll see the full dashboard with apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, Outlook, and more. You can start using these apps directly inside your browser for free. Now, instead of opening the app in the browser, every time I show you how to install them as standalone apps on your PC using Google Chrome. This way you can launch Word Excel or PowerPoint just like regular desktop apps without typing office.com every time. First, let's install Microsoft Word. Click the Word icon to launch it. Once it opens in a new tab, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. Hover your mouse over Cast, Save, and Share. Then click Install. Page App. In the pop-up windows, name it Word. Then click Install after installation. Microsoft Office will launch immediately in a new window. Repeat the same process for Excel and PowerPoint to install them as well. You now have standalone app shortcuts for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint installed on your PC. You'll also see a shortcut for Words on your desktop. You can double-click the shortcut anytime to launch Microsoft Word, just like a native application. Now let's see how these apps work to open Microsoft Word. Just double-click the shortcut you created. It will open a new window and you will see the familiar Word interface. Click on Create Blank Document to start typing. You can format text, insert tables, add images, and more. Everything runs smoothly and feels very similar to the desktop version. The same goes for Excel and PowerPoint. All your files are saved automatically to OneDrive, which gives you 5 gigabytes of free cloud storage with their Microsoft account. If you want to save files to your PC, just go to File, then Export and select Download to copy. This saves your document in PDF format, and that's it. This is the simplest and most reliable way to install and use Microsoft Office for free on your Windows PC. So that's how you can use Microsoft Office for free on Windows legally and safely. If you only need Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for everyday tasks, the free web versions can be a very good option. And if you need powerful offline desktop applications, you can also consider a free alternative such as LibreOffice. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Windows and computer tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.